Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a quick little tutorial on this Pac-Man look. First, starting off, we are painting ourselves with black body paint, and we're just putting that around the Pac-Man itself and then the Pac-Man logo. So for this, I am using a black cream paint, and just make sure that you're getting down as far as you want the paint to go and get into all those nooks and crannies underneath your arm if you have any. And I'm going over it with a sponge, then I'm setting it with some translucent powder. Now to outline the actual letters of the Pac-Man, I'm using a blue water activated paint, and I'm just going in and outlining each letter. Then with a red paint, I go in and outline the actual box around Pac-Man so we can start to fill in the letters and the little gap. So then I'm filling it in with a orange cream paint. And after I fill that in, I go in and fill in the letters with a yellow paint. So this look is pretty straightforward, really. It was just something fun to do. And also I had to flip this, so don't worry about the pigments being backwards. I promise that they're not in real life. For Pac-Man himself, I'm taking a yellow body paint. I'm just going in outlining his body and his nose, and then I fill that entire thing in with that yellow paint, leaving space for the eyes, the nose, and the mouth to be filled in with black. So now I'm taking a black paint, and then I'm going in and filling in the empty gaps that we left earlier. Now for the tongue area, I actually forgot to fill in the tongue a red color. So if you recreate this, please don't forget to fill in the tongue. We're just gonna pretend that it's red, okay? Okay. For his finger, I took the same orange cream paint that we used for the top. Taking a light blue paint for the little barricades that they have in the game. I'm just going in using the reference picture here and drawing them in random spots. And it wouldn't be me if I didn't have a little dance break in every single video that I do. Now for the other side, you just want to go in and try to do the exact same thing and make sure that they are lined up. It's okay if it's a little bit off, no one will really notice. Try to get them as close as possible. For the little Waka Waka men, I don't know what they're actually called, but yeah. For them, I just simply went in and drew a little hill, and then I made 3 little swooshes on the bottom, so kind of like a W. I also went in and wrote Waka Waka, filled it in with yellow and outlined it with red. For the yellow dots that's in the game, this part is like super easy. Just take a yellow water activated paint and just use that reference picture again and start to dot it all across. And then you can even kind of like freehand it a little bit to figure out what you want to do. Here for the neck area, I didn't want that to be a complete black space, so I went in with the yellow dots and just kind of filled that in. And that's it. This is it for today's look. It was super quick, super easy. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on all social medias. And I will leave links here below so you guys can easily find it. And it's also in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.